You know, guys, since we have all the gear set up for, we're shooting a couple videos down here at the Full Octane Garage South. Well, this is North, Full Octane Garage North. I thought I'd take just a second and walk you through how we put a video together. We've got a lot of equipment, we can do a lot of stuff, but in reality, we try to keep it simple. We get asked all the time about our YouTube channel and how we shoot videos, and there's a misnomer at times, and I think it has to do with some of the big YouTubers that you see, and they've got camera guys and editors and all those type of things about what you need to put a YouTube channel on that can actually buy you that car right there. Well, in reality, I'm going to walk you through what we use here at Full Octane Garage on a regular basis. And it's really short and simple, and something you can do with practically nothing. If you want to go all out, then you could put a set together, kind of like Kurt's got down here at the bottom of Full Octane Garage, where we have the seating, we have extra lighting, we have mics, things of that nature, we have stand lighting. All those things that you see here, we started doing before VinWiki. Just want to go on record, Ed. You're doing an outstanding job. Thanks, son. You must have watched at least one of our videos. So we've got some DSLR cameras. We do have some professional-ish type mics, things of that nature that we use when we're doing the set. And it never hurts to have a gigantic garage full of cars. We're shooting some videos with the NSX right now. But in reality, today we're using a small point shoot camera, because the distance from here to where we're shooting is not very much. I have another little stand, and I'm filming right now with the iPhone 11 Max Pro or Pro Max, which is actually a really outstanding camera. We do have one light set up. You can buy an entire light setup like this with 4 lights, stands and everything for about 120 bucks.
And a green screen.
And a green screen for 120 bucks.
We have the green screen upstairs.
Right. So, don't have to do lighting. You can use natural lighting or something like that, but it really doesn't cost much of anything to do it. We do have multiple GoPros like this here. Probably got close to a dozen GoPros, all the way from the Hero 5's sessions to the Hero 7, and all the little fittings and stuff like that. We do have a Phantom 4 drone, which we use occasionally, and the Pelican case is full of more fittings, and we've got a lot more camera gear and all that. But what are we using in reality, and what can you use to film your own YouTube video? You need a light source, generally speaking, and you need a decent camera, but your iPhone camera itself will actually do the deal. And that's really it. Other than that, you need a decent subject, something to talk about, and you should probably edit a little bit. And that's really where the work comes in. It's easy to come out here with an iPhone and shoot cool cars going by. It's a little more difficult to take them and crop them down, add music and the intros and all that type of stuff. So it does take time. You want to make something professional, but at the end of the day, what we've learned is it's better to get out more really good content rather than very little excellent content.
Yeah.
So you can expect mediocrity.
Quantity sometimes wins over quality.
There you go. Thought you would think that this was a short, cool little piece of interesting information about how the video process goes together. Hope that helps you out. Hope you start your own YouTube channel. Maybe you can buy yourself a supercar too. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments below, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. We'll see you soon.